Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll learn how to replace nouns with pronouns, identify personal pronouns, and differentiate between subject and object pronouns. It is that time of the year when Green Valley Elementary School celebrates their field day. The kids are waiting excitedly. Before we get rolling with the field day activities, let's understand what a personal pronoun is. A personal pronoun replaces a noun or nouns in a sentence. It gives information about whether the noun is singular or plural. It tells us if the noun is masculine, feminine, or gender neutral. It clarifies who the speaker or writer is and who is spoken to. Pronouns give a natural flow to our writing and make it engaging. There are two types of pronouns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's take a look at the subject pronouns. The pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they replace nouns that are used as the subject of a sentence. Hence, they are known as subject nouns. The subject is always a person, thing, place, or idea. Let's take this sentence for instance. Raymond had 3 rings. Raymond was juggling the rings. Raymond is the subject, and we know Raymond is a boy. We'll use the pronoun he to replace Raymond in the second sentence. So we have, Raymond had 3 rings. He was juggling the rings. Let's take a look at what Gina is doing. Gina took a ball. Gina liked bouncing the ball. Gina is the subject, and Gina is a girl. To avoid repetition, we'll replace Gina in the second sentence with the pronoun she. So now we have, Gina took a ball. She liked bouncing the ball. Ralph liked bouncing too. He grabbed the ball from Gina and sat on it. The ball bumped and bounced. It slipped away and tossed Ralph on the ground. The ball is the subject here. We'll quickly replace the ball with it. Remember, the pronoun it is used while referring to an inanimate subject. Henry and Mason were trying to toss their rings onto the pool noodle. Henry will get it right this time, said Henry. Does this sentence sound weird? We'll knock off the first instance of Henry and replace it with the pronoun I. I will get it right this time, said Henry. While talking about ourselves, we do not use our names, but we use the pronoun I. I'm sure Henry will, Mason reassured Henry. What can we replace Henry with? You. I am sure you will, Mason reassured Henry. Do you want to play a game? The teacher asked the kids. Here the pronoun you refers to all the kids. The pronoun you can be used as singular or plural. Let's play the balloon stomp, said the teacher. The girls will have balloons tied to their ankles, and the boys will try to pop the balloons. The boys will pop all the balloons, said Raymond the captain. We takes the place of the boys, which is the subject in this sentence. We will pop all the balloons, said Raymond the captain. The boys popped all the balloons and won the game. The kids were ready for tug of war next. The kids held the rope and pulled it hard. We'll use the plural subject noun, they, to replace the kids. The kids were ready for a tug of war next. They held the rope and pulled it hard. The girls' team tugged harder and dragged the boys beyond the mark to break even. We'll now move on to the object pronouns. The object or object pronoun is always on the receiving end of the action. Let's take a look at this chart that lists the object pronoun appropriate for each subject pronoun. The pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them are object pronouns. They replace the nouns that function as objects in the sentence. For example, Bella crawled through the hula hoop with the baton. Pass the baton to me quickly, cried Hannah. The pronoun me receives the action and is therefore an object pronoun. Didn't Henry give the baton to you? Mason asked Raymond. The pronoun you functions as an object pronoun in this sentence. The girls won the relay too. Gina was ready for the beanbag toss. Bella gave the beanbag to her. We have the object pronoun her in this sentence. Mason hopped in. Bella gave him a beanbag. We have him, another object pronoun. Tossing it was so much fun, said Gina. It is an object pronoun too and refers to the beanbag. Let's move on to the plural object pronouns with the last event for the day. Chloe and Percy are ready with the potato sacks. Paul and I will join the race too. Give the potato sacks to us, said Liam. We have another object pronoun, us. Henry gave the potato sacks to them. We spotted another object pronoun, them. Liam won the potato sack race. I'll give the medals and trophies to you, said the teacher. You, in this sentence, refers to the winners, a plural object pronoun. This brings us to the end of the field activities and our lesson. If you want to practice this stuff, then tutoringhour.com is the place to be. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.